Welcome back, everybody. Welcome to April 12th. It is an extremely windy but crazy warm day. It is a huge American flag, and the wind has that thing standing straight out, and it's right on my right side. I mean, it is literally hitting me square in the side, and it's blowing this way. So people ask me all the time, you know, what's a Can-Am Spyder ride like in the wind? No, there's not an issue. To be honest with you, I have more of an issue with the air catching my helmet than I do with it moving the Spyder around. So, going for a little ride. Don't know where I'm going yet. Like I said, it's extremely windy today. So, once I get down the road, I'll come back and maybe we'll talk about how these things ride and how they ride in the wind and the rain and all that happy crap. Happy crap. Welcome back, everybody. A couple miles down the road, still very crazy, very windy. And like I was saying, you know, a lot of people ask me, you know, what a Spyder's like to ride in the wind, or, you know, if you pass a semi or a semi passes you. And I'm not going to say the Spyder doesn't move around with the air around it, because I mean everything moves around. If you're driving a semi truck or a bicycle, you know, the wind will move you. So it's not like being on two wheels. It doesn't just like take off on you. It gently nudges the Spyder. You know, that's a good way to put it. And to be honest with you, I have way more issue with the air catching my helmet and tossing my head than I do the wind catching the Spyder and moving the Spyder. You know, I'm riding one-handed just with palm pressure, and straight down the road I go. I mean, it's a unique experience, because I know what I would be dealing with if I was on two wheels. You know, so this is one of the plus on having a Spyder. So one of the very first videos I ever put up was I don't even know what it's called anymore. Clear Creek State Park. And to be honest with you, the road is straight junk. But it's a very cool ride. Dude's out in shorts and a t-shirt. I'm telling you, this weather is absolutely perfect. You know, I was debating whether to wear my leather jacket, and you know, I probably shouldn't have. But as I was saying, you know, this is one of my first ever videos I put up, and I didn't edit anything. I didn't, you know, how it recorded on the action cam is how it went up on YouTube. You know, I didn't have a mic. What is that Jeep doing? You're coming up onto a blind corner and you're in the opposite lane. What an idiot. You know, and if the road stayed like this, it would be an excellent, very awesome ride. I love coming back down through here, but the road turns to straight crap. But until then, you know, I'm gonna enjoy the ride. We have had tons of rain, so Clear Creek should be down, but I bet you there's going to be a lot of places where we can see where how high the water was. Yeah, see, it was all the way up in here. I don't want that Jeep in front of me, to be honest with you, but so I was able to ride yesterday, and I'm able to ride today. It looks like tomorrow I'm going to be able to ride. Hopefully, I got to look at the weather because they're calling for rain this weekend. So, and that's how it's been this year. It's been absolutely horrendous. You know, you get one good day where the temperatures are okay, and it's just straight rain. So like I said, the road instantly turns to crap. And then I don't come through here that quick. You know, we're doing 30 right now, and that's going to be the top speed, people. Wow, all of this was underwater. That is crazy. You know, the Spyder's saying it's 82 degrees. I'm going to say it could be absolutely very close to that, because with this jacket on, it is freaking warm. And I don't know the last time I've said that. Well, we get the road washed out a little bit, did we? And I don't get on too many roads that are in this kind of shape. You know, if I have to, I will, but I prefer not. Because you always have a whole bunch of crap in the middle of the road on these type of small roads where there's not a lot of traffic. And here we go. This is Written Rock, and every motorcycle except for my first one I parked right here, and I've taken pictures. And it sucks that people are using spray paint. There's carvings in there from the 1700s, I do believe. And I don't know if it was when I got a picture of this one or my white one, and then I compared them all. The amount of spray paint that was on there, it was quite sad. I'm gonna start rambling. I want to thank everybody for watching the videos, all the new subscribers. Thank you so much. And if you're watching this video and you like it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Hit the little bell so you get notified anytime that I upload a video. I hope everybody stays safe, and I will see you in a couple days.